Ever found yourself stuck in that awkward limbo after an amazing appointment? The one where you've delivered the service, your client is thrilled, but payment? It's the elephant in the room, right? How much was that again? Do you take cards? Oh, I forgot my wallet. If you're using Square Appointments, you know how incredibly streamlined it makes booking and scheduling. But what about that final, crucial step? Getting paid. Specifically, how do you send a payment link directly to your client, making the whole process as smooth as butter? Let's be honest, chasing payments is a time suck, and it can dampen the positive experience you've worked so hard to create. You're a professional, not a bill collector. You shouldn't have to awkwardly tap your foot while someone digs through their bag or fumbles with an outdated card reader. And let's not even talk about those "I'll pay you later" promises that vanish into thin air. The beauty of Square Appointments is its integrated ecosystem. You've got your calendar, your client database, and all those appointment details right at your fingertips. But leveraging the payment link feature? That's where you truly unlock the potential for seamless, stress-free transactions. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly address why this matters so much. Sending a payment link isn't just about convenience. It's about professionalism. It's about giving your clients a modern, hassle-free experience that reflects the quality of your services. It's about getting paid faster, improving your cash flow, and freeing up your valuable time. Imagine this: your client's appointment ends. You simply tap a few buttons on your Square Appointments app, and a secure payment link is sent directly to their phone. They can pay instantly wherever they are without needing to be physically present. No more awkward exchanges, no more waiting, and no more chasing. It's a win-win. So, how exactly do you make this magic happen? Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need to make sure you have the Square Appointments app installed on your mobile device and that you're logged in with your Square account. This is your command center. Next, locate the appointment for which you want to send a payment link. You can do this by navigating to your calendar or searching for the client's name. Tap on the appointment to open the appointment details. Within the appointment details, you'll see various options, including the ability to mark the appointment as completed, view client information, and, importantly, process payment. Look for the Request Payment or similar button. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it's usually clear and prominent. Tapping Request Payment will bring you to the payment screen. Here, you'll see the total amount due, based on the services rendered during the appointment. You can also add or adjust the amount if needed. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for the option to send a payment link. It might be labeled Send Link, Share Payment Link, or something similar. Select this option. You'll then be presented with options for how to send the link. Square Appointments typically allows you to send the link via SMS, text message, or email. Choose the method that works best for your client. If you choose SMS, the app will automatically populate the client's phone number if it's already stored in your Square Appointments database. You can also manually enter a phone number if needed. If you choose email, the same applies to the email address. Before sending the link, you'll usually have the option to customize the message that accompanies it. This is your chance to add a personal touch. You might say something like, "Thank you for your appointment. Please use this link to complete your payment." Once you're satisfied with the message, hit Send. The link will be sent to your client instantly. Your client will receive a text message or email with a secure link to a Square payment page. They can then enter their card details or use Apple Pay or Google Pay to complete the payment. You'll receive a notification in your Square Appointments app once the payment has been processed. The appointment will also be marked as paid. Now, let's talk about some best practices to ensure a smooth payment experience for both you and your clients. Communicate clearly. Inform your clients about the payment link option during the booking process or at the start of the appointment. Let them know they'll be receiving a link to pay electronically. Double-check information. Before sending the link, double-check the client's phone number or email address to ensure accuracy. Follow up, if necessary. If you don't receive payment within a reasonable time frame, send a friendly reminder to your client. Customize your messages. Use the customization option to add a personal touch to your payment link messages. Offer multiple payment options. Square's payment link supports various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Make sure your clients are aware of these options. Use the app's reporting features. Square provides robust reporting tools that allow you to track your payments and identify any outstanding balances. Use these tools to stay on top of your finances. Use a professional message. Avoid slang or casual language in your payment requests. Ensure your business information is correct. Make sure your business name and contact information are accurate within the Square app. Integrate with client notes. Add a note in the client's profile if they have any payment preferences. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.